Hi everyone and welcome on a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create the date dimension table using Power BI desktop. To build this table, you don't need any basic data set. You just need to build it from the scratch. All you need to know is the start year and the end year for the date dimension table. So let's start with uh, clicking on the button Get Data. Click on Blank Query. So the blank query means query will return an empty string. Then you will be redirected to query editor window. You will use this query as a base for our date dimension. Okay. So first of all, let's create two parameters. One of them presenting the start year, and the second one is the end year. So let's click start with creating the parameters. Clicking on the Manage button and New parameter. Let's name the first one by start year. The type will be a decimal number, and the first the first year or the start year of this calendar will be 2005. Let's choose this specific year. Let's add also the end year parameter. Click on new. It shows you a new parameter. So end year. The type will be decimal number 2020, 2020, the year. So click on OK. Click on OK. So as you can see here, the Power Query editor has created two parameters. The first one is the start year with a specific value, which is 2005, and the second one is the end year, representing by the value 2020. Okay, let's click on query and let's make some changes. Okay, so let's click on Advanced Editor. So now let's generate the start date based on start year, and let's consider first day of January as start date. So start date with function date start start year. So and one and this one, and let's change source by start date. Let's click done. So as you can see here, the start date, the step start date show us the first day of the first day of the start day, the start year of our calendar. So the same thing for the end date. Let's click and add the next step, which is end date. Let's say date and year. The last day of the year we will consider as the 31st of December. So the month is with the number 12 and the day is 31. So no syntax error have been detected until now. So the end date, as you can see, it show us as an output the expected result. So let's move to the other step, which is generate the base query. uh, to generate it, we need to know how many days exist between these 2 days. So subtracting 2 days from each other will return a duration data type. Then from duration data type, we can fetch number of days using duration point days Power Query function. So let's click as usual on the advanced editor. So let's rename this step with number of days equal to duration point days and date minus start date. Okay, let's copy the number of days and let's change it by this. So let's see. So as you can see here, it show us the number of days between the start day and the end day of our calendar, which is in this case 5,843 days. Okay, so let's now create a list which show us all the dates between those two values. Let's name this step dates, for example. List point dates. Okay. Start date. So list point dates. It's start as date, count as a number, and step as duration. Okay. That's the parameters for this Power Query Editor function. Uh, yeah, okay. So start date, let's start with start date. Number of days plus one and duration 1000. Okay, so uh, duration will be duration 10000, meaning 1 day at a time. Other parameters of duration, it's data type as hour, minute, and seconds. So as you can see here, this is the syntax of the duration. Okay, let's copy this and pass it in this way. So as you can see here, we have a list of all our dates between those 2 years. Let's convert this list into a table. Okay, let's click OK. Let's change the column name to dates, and let's change also the data type to date. Okay, so let's click on add column, date, and let's add a new column which contains the year, the specific year of each values of this column dates. Let's add also the month, also the quarter, the week, and the day. So as you can see here, in the date option, you have for each one, year, month, quarter, week, day, etc. A lot of other options. So I'm going to choose two other options, which is in the months, days in months. Okay, and this the final one, which is month name. Okay, so let's close and apply. Let's just wait until the query, uh, the changes apply on the query. Let's waiting applying query changes. So let's now just give me a second to save a copy of the Power BI report. We don't want to lose. Let's name it calendar table, Power BI report, for example. Let's change this one to calendar table. I renamed the data set to calendar table. So let's check the output. So as you can see here, no problems. The final step in this presentation is creating table, which contains all the fields of our data set with the name calendar table. So here we don't need an hierarchy. Let's choose dates. Day here, don't summarize. We don't need the sum of this column. This one also the months, the days and months, and the months, the quarter also. Let's click on the focus mode. Let's hide the filters so you can see in good way. So as you can see here, we have the output. We can sort by dates and sort ascending. As you can see here, we have the values in order, in ascending orders. Let's change just the format of the dates. So as you can see here, from the 1st January 2005 to 31 December 2020, we have now a calendar which contains those those columns. You can also add specific columns from the Power Query editor, or from a query, from an expression that you can create it by yourself. Okay, thanks all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please click on the like button, on the subscribe button. We already have 150 subscribers, which is great so far, and I am very happy for the support. Also, please don't forget to comment on the video and specify what you want to see in next videos in the business intelligence field. Thanks a lot for watching this video, watching this video, and see you in new video. See you next time. See ya. Bye.